Welcome to your county's new WebGIS site. This video tutorial is going to cover the search functionality of the site. If your county happens to provide a sales search functionality, it'll cover that as well. The search is styled as a Google style search, meaning that whatever term you input into the search bar up in the upper right hand side, it's going to query the database for that term. So that could be a parcel identification number, an address, an owner, a section, township, range, or just a piece of any one of those things. So for example, let's say we type in Smith and hit enter. It's going to query the database, and as we can see, it returns results for both addresses and owners that have Smith associated with them. Now that could be Smith, Blacksmith, Smithsonian, anything that has Smith will be there. Well, I know that I'm only really looking for addresses with Smith in it and not owners, so I can come up to the filter results by at the top of the results window and uncheck the owner section, and now I only see addresses with Smith in it. From here I can click on that and go to my assessor report card and get right to the result I'm looking for. If, however, I still want to look at the owner results, I can just check the owner box back and I'll bring back the owner results. If, though, I'm searching for Smith and I know I only want to query the database for owners with Smith in the name, you'll see that as I'm typing in my query term, a drop window drops with different filter options. So I click owner, and now it's only going to query the database with owners with Smith in it. You'll see 5 examples of names with Smith. These are not the only names in the database, they're just examples. I can either click enter and just get all the owner names with Smith in it, as you saw before, or I can continue to type in the name, and it's going to continue to refine my search down to the one I'm looking for. It's going to zoom right to that parcel and bring up the assessor report card. So the nice thing about a Google style search is that you can be broad and filter throughout the results you want, or as you continue to type in and refine your search all within one search bar, you can get to the exact result right away. This gives you the ability to find the result in a much faster manner, or do something if you want in a more economical manner. And that is the search functionality. If I want to do a sales search, I come back up to this drop-down menu here, switch from all, which is the Google style search, to sales search. Now the sales search is very similar to what it was in the WebGIS 2.0 version. You can search by all residential, commercial, ag land. You have different parameters you can set, etc. So if I'm going to search from April of this year through today, and I want to look for acreage that goes from 0 to 5 acres, and then I hit go, it's going to return all those results, highlight them on the screen. You see that there's 3 sales results for this time period based on the parameters I set. Again, I can then click on one of the result columns that I want, and it's going to return the assessor report card. I can always go back to my results and look for a different result, or I can come back up to the sales search, and if I want to do a new sales search, I simply come here to the clear button, click clear, and I can start over. This is a quick rundown of the sales search and the search functionality in your county's new WebGIS site. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you're interested in learning any other information, please always be sure to check out the Help tab in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, where we will be posting video tutorials for your learning pleasure. Thank you.